Hi, welcome to AulaUE. Today we are going to see an example on how to solve a problem related to confidence interval. If we are given the following problem, a particular brand of diet margarine was analyzed to determine the level of polyunsaturated fatty acid. A sample of 6 packages resulted in the following data, and we are just given the data. We are required to compute a 99% confidence interval on the population mean. Okay, we just copy the given data. In this case, n is equal to 6 because we are given 6 different values. And we just realize that the value of the variance of the population variance is none. So we have to employ a t-distribution in this case. First of all, we need to compute the sample mean. So we just put 1/6 and we add the values. In this case, we get a sample mean equals to 16.98, and we also need to compute the sample standard deviation by employing the formula, and it's equal to 0.319. Since we want to compute a confidence interval at 99%, we know that the value of alpha, in this case, it's going to be 0.01, and so the value of alpha halves, it's going to be 0.005. Okay, good. Let me just find out the corresponding value in a t-distribution table. Remember, t-student distribution is the one that we have to employ in this particular case where sigma is a none. Okay, so we need to look for the value of t alpha halves n minus 1 degrees of freedom. In this particular case, t of 0.005 and 5 degrees of freedom. So this value, if you look at it in the table, is 4.032. Let me just copy the table for you to show you how to do it. This is a t-distribution table, and we are given 5 degrees of freedom, and the value is 0.005, so it's going to be 4.032. Okay, now we just copy the formula for the confidence interval when sigma is a none, remember, the one with t-student distribution, and just replace the values in the corresponding place, of course. Okay, it's going to be 16.98 minus 4.032 times the standard deviation, which is 0.319, over square root of 6. And in the right hand side part, we are going to have exactly the same, but with a positive value, plus 4.032 times 0.319 over square root of 6. We just operate a little bit these values and we get the final answer, which is 16.455, and then in the right hand side 16.505, and this is the confidence interval for the population mean in this case. I hope you enjoyed this video.